Welcome, and in this video we are going to discuss the different state of a process. We can keep several processes in the memory, but a processor can provide time to a single process only. So all other processes have to wait for the processor to finish or halt the execution of the current process. So the current activity of a process is represented by its state, which may be new, ready, running, waiting, and terminated. Let's see when a process switches from one state to another. Here we have a program P1 located on the secondary storage device. When we execute this program, it becomes a process and the current state of the process becomes new. If the process is ready to be executed, that is, if the process is ready for dispatch, then it will change its state to ready. When the process is dispatched to the processor for execution, it is in the running state, where it is getting the CPU time. During the execution, if the process requires some I/O services, then it will move to the waiting state and another process will get time. After the completion of I/O event, again the process moves to ready state and then it is again dispatched to the CPU for execution and becomes in the running state. If any interrupt is generated by other devices or processes, then CPU has to provide interrupt services to the device or process generated the interrupt. And the current process again moves to the ready state. After the interrupt is serviced, again the process gets CPU time and switches its state to the running state. Finally, the state of a process is changed to terminated after its execution. That is, the current process has finished its execution and got all the CPU time it required. Okay, that's all for this video, and we are going to discuss more about operating system concepts on the upcoming sessions. Thank you.